I like chicken with a little bit of rice. I like steak with a little bit of spice. Scrambled eggs and toast in the morning, but I don't know what I want tonight, so let's Google it, let's Google it. Why would you Google it if you can Google it? Let's Google it, let's Google it. Why would you Google it if you can Google it?
Hello and welcome to Let's Google It, everyone. Today I'm going to show you a good recipe for roasted potatoes. It's a max flavor and lemon, garlic, herbs, and this recipe goes very well with roast turkey or roasted lamb or roast beef, whatever dinner you're planning for. This recipe goes so well with it. Now, before I start cutting the potatoes, I have here some fresh rosemary, fresh thyme, fresh cilantro, and we're going to fine chop everything. Fresh garlic, we're going to fine chop, or minced garlic will be much better. Here we go, garlic and herbs ready. Now heat on the medium, and I'm gonna begin with the butter, a little bit of olive oil. As soon as the butter melts, all the chopped herbs in, minced garlic in, a little bit of dry parsley, and we're going to infuse the butter with the garlic and the herbs flavor. Let it sizzle for about 15 to 20 seconds. Turn off, and as soon as you turn off, add lemon juice. Give it a little mix and let it rest till the potatoes they're ready. Now let's begin with the potatoes, and I always pick up the medium-sized potato, which is a handful, and I'm using here Yukon Gold potatoes for roasting. Always Yukon Gold or red potato is the best, and I'm cutting it as wedges like this, and I'm keeping the skin on, but I gave it nice wash before we start slicing it. And all the potato ready to go. Everything's go in a bowl. Garlic, butter, and the herbs, and I'm not gonna use all of it. I'm just gonna leave some till the end. So 3/4 in, salt, pepper, and I'm going to add a little bit of smoked paprika. Give it a good mix. Make sure all the potato coated with the butter and the herbs. Look and smell amazing. Any roasting pan or baking pan, just a quick coat of cooking spray. All the potatoes in. All potatoes, try your best to have them face up. Here we go. Tin foil, we're gonna cover it. Make sure your oven preheated on a 400, and we'll check on them in 20 or 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, let's see what we have here. And let's see, wow, nice. Fork tender. It might take 5 minutes less, 5 minutes more, it depends on the oven you're using, but as long as the potato, they are fork tender. Now we're gonna change the setting to broil. and we're gonna put it back for about 12 to 15 minutes just to have a nice color on the top. Look at this beautiful golden crust color. Now I'm gonna finish it with the remaining of the butter, garlic, and herbs. Look at that golden crust from the outside. Hot, hot, hot. And so soft and creamy from the inside. I'm gonna try one. I know it's hot. Oh boy, max flavor, nice and creamy from the inside. Roasted potato, all yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.